Minimass is a way of making low-cost, low-carbon concrete structural elements. We're using 3D printing to take material away. We're building beams for a 10-metre long bridge, 2 metres wide for pedestrian traffic. The design of the beam is tuned to the particular case that we're working with. We're using actual concrete. This is code-compliant concrete. It comes out of the back of a ready-mix wagon. Critically, the mix that we're using has aggregates in it. We're able to make structures where we're taking the advantages of 3D printing, giving us the freedom with geometry, but also reinforce them and post-tension them so that we get excellent structural performance. 3D printing gives us the chance to revolutionize how we use materials like concrete and steel. It gives us the chance to have savings in material quantities, in labor, in time, but most importantly, in cost and carbon. And these are big potential savings. So for a material reduction of the order of 50%, we can generate carbon savings at the same level, 50%, and cost savings in the region of 20 to 30%.
3D concrete printing has an opportunity to really change the way things are built off-site. One of the advantages of minimass is that those forms can now be made economically and give us a good, efficient and low-carbon solution.
We're delighted to have this opportunity to showcase minimass to the industry. So that's from a technical, cost and carbon perspective, but also from a procurement, warranties and insurance perspective. With this pilot project, we expect to be able to convert that interest into commercial contracts over the coming months. And that will range from footbridges to cycle bridges to temporary works to start with. Going forwards, minimass has a vast range of applications, from industrial to offices, from supermarkets to schools. Basically anything from 6 metre span upwards.
Post-tensioning is important for our beams and for this bridge because it allows us to take extra load. We do a first stressing where we put a small amount of the force onto the strands. And what that does is it tightens everything up. You're then able to pick it up, move it around. When you've placed it in position and you've applied any additional loading, you would then typically pull the strands a second time, which takes out any of the actual deflection caused by that load that you've applied. We're here at the Constructionarium in Bircham Newton, North Norfolk. We've had a great deal of support from Constructionarium. This is a place where lots of progressive construction ideas have been tested in the past. And for us, we're planning, of course, to build the bridge for the first time, but then we're donating the components to Constructionarium for their use in the future. That means that students and companies will be able to come and rebuild the bridge.
Constructionarium is all about turning theory into practice. This fantastic project that we've got behind us moves that forward an extra step. It's not been done before, it's not been seen before, and it's a real privilege to be able to host it here at our fantastic facility.
The Constructionarium was set up 20 years ago as a really good way of teaching students how to build projects. The projects we chose initially were very iconic, the Gherkin and the Milau Bridge. So the minimass project with the efficient beams, the lightweight bridge, is a really good way of reflecting where the industry is moving towards low carbon, low material usage, low energy and off-site manufacturing. So it's a great use of the product.
Minimass as a company has been around for 3 years. We've gone from laboratory testing, very much a kind of academic exercise or an R&D exercise, through to this point here where we've built our first demonstration project. And what we found over that journey is that no one wanted to be the first to take the risk. So we realized that we really had to build something at full scale that people could come and see.
I'm here today because I'm interested in this new innovative product, Minimass, which is providing an opportunity to decarbonise structural solutions. So we're interested in terms of how we can adopt that across our projects. It's very important to us as a company because our customers are demanding from us more and more projects which are providing decarbonised options. And the structure is a part of the project which holds a lot of the carbon. In the future, I can see us looking at this product and placing it within our tender submissions and providing us with a unique selling opportunity.
When we're looking at tenders, we're looking for unique methods that can respond to the client's requirements, which will set us apart from the competition. The way that minimass have developed their on-site and off-site methods enables contractors to come up with economic, efficient solutions that will give them an opportunity to win a project.
3, 2, 1.